Enjoy your time outside, Val. Go out and play, Esau. Good morning, Esau. Good morning, Val. How are you this morning? I am pumped today. Thank you for asking. How about you? Same to you. What do you think about racing together? I would love to race with you. Let's start from the driveway to the other side of the street. On the count to 3, we run. 1, 2, 3. Go! I'm gonna beat you. You win. Get away from my rabbit. Esau, I forbid you to ever play with that dog again. Arjun, how dare you talk to my dog like that? I never want my rabbit, Esau, near your dog ever again. I've been trying to remove you from my neighborhood ever since you moved in, for I want all of my neighborhood to myself. I have planned to build a farm to make money since I am low on money. We'll see about that. Val, Arjun doesn't want you near his rabbit, so I forbid you to go near him. Good afternoon, Yolanda.
Good afternoon to you, Val. How are you
Today, I'm not happy to engage in such a
Oh, that's too bad. I will try to help you stop the keeping me from always abusing something happened that
You will? Thank you for understanding me.
Of course.
I am there. I can see we're friends with each other. I'm Esau. I heard that you and Val are forbidden to play with each other, and I was talking to a turtle who I met at the pond. You always can get along with each other, and I will help you. Esau, what did I tell you about playing with that dog? We meet again, Arjun. Now is the time to remove you from my neighborhood, and if you don't start moving in 5 seconds, I will kill you. No way, I have a gun too. Wanna fight? Stop! Both of you! Arjun, just because you are low on money doesn't mean you have to drive out someone to build a farm just to make money. What you need is a job or somewhere else to make money without scamming other people. As for you, Rigby, just because Arjun forbids Esau to play with Val doesn't mean you have to forbid them to play together. I guess you're right. I tried to get a job in the past, but nobody would hire me. Sorry to hear that. I can help you find a job if you need it. You will? Thank you. First, I will try to look for one, and as a backup to getting a job, even with your help, I can make money from the internet or doing things I love. You are welcome. Rigby, I am sorry for the way I acted earlier. Thank you. I was glad you changed your ways. You are welcome. Now Esau can play with your dog. Thank you, Turtle, for connecting with Val and Esau. I can tell that you were friends.
Val, Esau, I am so happy for you too.
Yeah, I am happy that we can play together. What do you say that you race with us?
I would love to.
On the count of 3, we run. 1, 2, 3. Go. I am gonna beat you. You win again. I am in second